Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperFrench here with another motherfucking video. Cue the music. I'm just kidding.
It's been a long time, bro.
Y'all know this nigga? I don't know him. SvperDvperCarlos here, SvperDvperIsaac. Alex couldn't show up. Being a bitch. I'm just kidding. Nah, he has school.
Tony's actually being a bitch.
Tony's being a little bitch.
Pussy hurts.
We might have to edit that. Alright, well, today we're getting ready on the install. We're gonna go ahead and install the short shifter.
CTS short shifter.
We're not sponsored yet, but if y'all want to sponsor us, go ahead.
Let us know.
We'll take that
I
check.
don't even know what car I have, bro.
Oh shit. Let me show y'all. Alright, so he has a 2010
Mark 6 GTI 2.0.
Tiene turbo dog?
It has a small turbo right now.
KO4 coming soon.
Hell no. Yeah, all stock, super clean, and really excited to be working on it today. Gang gang.
All right, well, today we're gonna do his short shifter. We're gonna do a short shifter, which is right under here, and his diverter valve, which I don't know where it's at, but he knows, so I'll record him doing that. And so you just, first thing you do is take off the cover, obviously, and then go ahead and take this intake box. There's a clamp right here, and there's a Allen key right here. And this whole thing just pops off, and I think
That's pretty much
pop it off here too. I don't know. We'll find out.
We have no instructions. Alright guys, so we took out the air box. Literally one bolt. This thing right here.
I'm pretty sure there's more that's holding it because this one looks broken. So there's probably another one that holds it around here. And then you take off this cover right here from the intake, and then you just pop it off. And you just pull it
There's
out.
this part right here. We took out.
And you just pull out that whole thing.
Yeah.
And then now you have access to your short shifter, which is all this assembly. So what you're gonna do is loosen this up, loosen this bolt nut up, and then you just take this clip off.
There's another clip right here. They have to be careful. Don't break this. I heard it's pretty expensive.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright guys, first clip is off. And then took out this clip too. Super easy. It's like grabbing on both sides. You guys can see. Right there. Pretty easy ass clip. This one, I did it by hand. Super easy.
Shit, you're right, it was a 13, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's not a 13 mil. Well, it's gonna mess up here. Yeah, this one was easy though. Wanna go put it back in neutral? I think I did. Actually, but
You did?
go do it anyway.
Alright. Pause the music. Alright, well, after a few pulls, it'll come out.
Nigga, speak up. You're so scared.
I'm not scared, nigga. I'm sick. We use this shit that Isaac uses on planes, so you know it's gonna come out easily. Hey, never mind. But yeah, we got it out. With the short shifter, it comes with two sizes. You have like the fatter, the skinnier one, and then the fatter one.
Oh,
It matters. It's right there.
so we can check which one it is.
Yeah, it's that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but make sure which before you install.
They're all different sizes. I don't know. I don't really know.
Maybe DSG is different. Maybe.
I don't know.
I mean, they still have shifter linkages.
Yeah, true.
So maybe one's for DSG.
But it was super easy, to be honest. Literally a couple pulls and we got it out.
Yeah.
But
I
now,
would just use like some WD-40 or something to loosen it up.
yeah. Now we're just gonna install the new one.
Did you show them how it looks?
Yeah.
This is where you're gonna install it. And you make sure to leave it in neutral,
Yeah.
just so you can kind of have, so you don't have to adjust it a whole lot. Because if not, they're gonna be adjusting these rods for a minute.
Isaac's pretty good at it though.
Yeah.
But yeah. So on the short shifter, there's two the options. You can do like the very, very short, or you can do, I think this one's like 20% and 40%. So we're gonna go with the most aggressive, cause you know.
What are you gonna do? The most aggressive?
Yeah, fucking nigga. We're gonna go big or go home. There you go. Alright.
You just loosen it up, put it.
Yeah. We'll keep y'all updated. Go ahead.
All right. So when you install the new one, this is kind of dirty, but there's like a flat spot, kind of like right here, because this thing will only go on one way. So don't just try to jam it in there.
Yeah, you're gonna fuck it up.
Yeah. So like right here, there's like a few tooths missing, and it's supposed to be like that. So it goes. It's kind of keyed, so you don't mess it up. Or you put it on wrong.
Yeah. We got it in. Just pay attention, because that shit, I'm sure, if you fuck it up, it's gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
The fucking Volkswagen.
The fucking splines on the transmission.
Yeah, now we're just tightening everything up, and then
we're gonna let you know. Like, I don't know, since you have a short shifter now, I don't know if you're gonna need to adjust these. Maybe not.
No, it'll be fine.
But I mean, if we do, I'll show you how to do it. Well, it's not hard. You just pull these back, and then the rod will come in or out, and that's.
It's fucking weird. It took us like a good like 3 hours to figure out.
Oh yeah, last time when you were in.
My fucking shifter was like crooked as hell.
Where's this one go? Oh yeah, it goes right here.
But yeah, keep all updated.
All right, Carlos is gonna show you. It's completely installed. So that clip's back on. This clip is missing, but that clip's back on. Everything's tight. Now he's gonna show you the after. We should have showed y'all before, but if you own a GTI, you know this shit. These shits are like semis. All right, show him.
No way.
Oh yeah, that's fucking good. Is that good, or you want it? Does it feel a little weird?
No, it feels good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure it doesn't need adjustment?
No, it's good. Nah, it's good.
It's good? You sure?
That's stupid
Alright,
short.
show him real quick.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
What about reverse?
God damn.
Damn.
Feels good, bro.
You probably even short shifting on reverse.
Bro, that install was easily like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't bad
Literally
at all.
10 minutes.
But so yeah, now we're gonna put all this back together. Well, now we're gonna install his his diverter valve.
Yeah.
It's a 201 special here today. Y'all are welcome. And don't forget to send in that YouTube check, because it hasn't came in.
Subscribe, please.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Don't comment.
Don't comment.
We'll keep y'all updated. Next install coming soon. In like 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes. Alright. We'll be right back. Alright, so now we're installing this. This is Go Fast Fits diverter valve. This, I don't know how to really install.
Me either.
Carlos looked at a video of it.
Looks pretty cool. Came with the sticker. You know, we ain't rich, so we ain't buying new parts, you know? It's a good ass deal.
It's a good ass deal.
It's like a Rolex. There's that.
Well, we'll show you kind of. Here's the picture of how it goes. So that's how it's gonna go.
We'll let y'all know.
We'll show, yeah, because
we
don't know much about this. But
yeah, should I install a sticker, bro?
That looks pretty sick.
Leave a comment if I should install this.
100 likes.
Now install it.
And I'll install it. Nah, but for real, if y'all ever get us 1,000 likes, I'm doing a giveaway. I'll give away something.
I'll give away my AirPods. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, AirPod giveaway if we get 1,000 likes. So make sure to like this fucking video, because only the people who like it are gonna have a chance.
Alright, guys.
Alright, guys. Well, we'll show you. We'll keep it out there. This is down there. He's taking off the diverter valve. These are the bolts. Sorry, there's a fucking plane passing right now. This is also a 5mm Allen key. The new one's over here. And as you can see, they told you to unclip that. Shit, it's not focusing. So they unclip this clip on it. take off those 2 bolts, and then I think you just pull it out. And then we'll show y'all how to put the new stuff in. You reuse the housing, but that's it. Yeah, everything else you change. Alright, we'll show you right now. Man, Carlos thick as fuck, nigga. I'm about to. Oh shit. ¿Estás packing o qué? Alright. Carlos will show y'all in a little. This is a sick ass. Alright. We finally got it out. It was kind of a pain in the ass.
Just the top one.
Yeah, just the 2 bottom ones are bad. It's a 5mm. But the top one's really hard. We had to use an Allen key and then grab it with some pliers to like loosen it.
To get some leverage.
And then all this came out from the old one. And let's spring. So this is a new one. And it gives you some instructions here on how to put it back together. But oh yeah. So you take off this first, which is a Torx bit screw, like a T20 or something. Take them all off. Then you slide it out and make sure you jack up your car. Well, yeah, you pretty much have to jack up your car to get to it.
Spring, right?
Spring has the O-ring already.
This part? No, this part right here.
No, wait, no.
No?
Oh yeah. You're right. Yeah, I think
Where
that's
does
right.
this go?
Where does that go?
Yeah. Maybe it replaces it.
Wait, that goes right here. Look, goes at the very end.
At the end? Oh yeah, it does. Like this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is a spring. What's that? Oh, this is the gasket?
Yeah, the gasket's on there, and there's that spring, and then you put that. Oh, okay. All right, so let's show them real quick. And that goes on top. Yeah.
I don't know how long.
Yeah, look at the picture. Look at this other picture right there. You see it?
This?
Wait. Alright, so anyways, you put that little spring.
The only factory parts you reuse are the solenoid coil and the yellow O-ring. Yellow O-ring. Solenoid coil. Is this it?
Yellow O-rings right here, and the solenoid coil is in there.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Alright, so we don't need this then?
To me, what? Is that a factory part?
Yeah.
Oh, that's showing you how it comes factory, because that's not, look, it doesn't have
it
this.
doesn't have this. Yeah, you're right. So we don't need it then?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because look, it would show us right here.
Yeah. Alright, hold it. He said it has to snap in. Alright, so this only goes on one way. You can see right here, there's a little hole. There's a little tab right here. So it's keyed. Yeah. So you can put it on only one way. 'Cause if you don't do that, pretty sure you'll have like
boost leak.
A boost leak, yeah. Okay, and they said you kind of have to just put it on, hold it, and put it on. Because some of them are just old and they're not as tight as they used to be.
Yeah.
Pussy's loose. Hold on. Let me put my gloves back on. Let me put it back on.
So if you guys didn't know what he was talking about, it's a hole right here. Right there, and then there's a little thing right there. So you don't mix it up. Looks pretty dope.
And make sure you put all the O-rings back and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Because if not, you'll definitely be boosting wrong. Or won't boost.
So these are the new ones right here, guys.
Make sure you use these because then it won't go back on. These are longer.
Yeah.
Because of the spacing right here.
You can tell.
Fuck. I was like, oh, don't mix them up. They're longer.
No.
Alright, time to put it on.
Oh yeah. Round two. Oh hell no. Those are shoes on.
Bring the camera so I can show it.
Oh hell no.
Nah, bitch, you're recording?
Nah.
Fuck you. Oh, fuck. Oh shit. Alright, let me show you all the fucking diverter valves at. It's right there. Diverter. It's right there. This is a new one installed, but if you can see, there's 2 bolts on the bottom, 1 at the top. I can't show you the top one because it's a bitch.
You can't see it from up here.
Nah. And then the clip, there's like a little locking tab on that connector, so don't just pull on it. You gotta push the connector. You gotta push the locking tab in and then pull on it. But yeah, that's about it. It's already installed. We'll show you guys how it sounds right now.
I think it's not gonna sound any different.
It's not?
I don't think so.
Alright, well, we'll see. Alright.
Imagine.
Sounds like shit. Here.
Boost leak.
Alright, so that was it on this install. It was the diverter valve and the short shifter. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I might just put sound clips of how his car's gonna sound now, instead of doing like a whole video about it. So I'll just put those at the end.
Too, bro.
Huh?
I'm doing exhaust too.
Yeah, I know. We're doing a resonator delete, so I might just might just put those clips at the end and show y'all like the before and after. But that's about it. I'm not gonna go like in full detail about it. But yeah. See y'all later, Super Duper crew.
Later, y'all.
Rev it up a little. Alright, this is Carlos's exhaust after the resonator delete.